Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, September the 24th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today to the upside with a candle making a higher high and a higher low. Very large green-bodied candle today, so the bulls have come back very solidly in very strong force today to close the market up around the previous swing high, roughly about 1148, 1149. The very large green body tells us that the buyers made some very solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. A very, very bullish candle, and this is the most bullish type of candlestick that we can have with the market opening at the low and closing at the high. It tells us that the buyers have closed this market in control. They're very strongly committed to taking this market higher, and they're also very keen because they've closed this market up a long way above the previous close. Now, the previous sell-off with these red-bodied candles was simply the termination of that sell-off was simply a minor swing low in a higher time frame uptrend. And if we look at the series of higher peaks and troughs here, we have a trough, a peak, a higher trough, higher peak, higher trough, higher peak, higher trough, and I think we've probably just made a slightly higher peak again. So a very strong uptrend in the second time frame, and that previous downtrend was certainly ended by this bullish candle making a higher high and a higher low. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud, so the market has an overall positive bias. The market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that means that the market is bullish in the medium-term time frame and in the fast-term time frame. We had one candle close down below the Tenkan-sen, which meant that the market was bearish for only one period of time, and I think that probably says something about the underlying strength in this market, that the market was only able to close down below there for one candle. So perhaps this market is very strong, as evidenced by this very strong second time frame uptrend that we've just been talking about. Now, just looking over here to the Chikou span as well, that's a fair way up above the corresponding price action, and that tends to reinforce the bullishness in this market that we see from the Ichimoku charts. Certainly this area around 1150 will be important to this market over the next trading day. The market's tested that area, failed to close above it, but we do have a nice setup with a lot of momentum building in this market for a test on that area. The Kijun-sen had previously turned flat, and that was around the area where a window was opened up. The market was attracted back towards it for three candles, and now the bulls have come back in, just once again showing the underlying strength in this market. If the 1150 area does hold, then we should once again look to this 1133 region as potential support, and then certainly down around this swing low, roughly about 1123 down to 1120 may offer support. But 1150 becomes very important for this market over the next trading day.